As a father with 2 kids attending school, I know the importance of providing healthy drinking water to our youth. That is why we at Document Solutions Business Life Simplified have partnered with American Water Charitable Foundation to revolutionize the way children access water in Camden City schools. And I couldn't be more excited. These coolers have been meticulously designed with touchless dispense and anti-microbial services, safeguarding our children from the invisible threats that surround us. The safety and well-being of our little ones have become even more precious in these uncertain times, and these coolers offer a shield of protection. Beyond the surface level beauty of these advancements lies the essence of our peace of mind. The reverse osmosis systems are engineered to deliver water of unparalleled purity. As parents, we yearn for the absolute best for our children, and these systems ensure that every sip they take hydrates their bodies and fuels their potential. By joining hands with Camden City School District and American Water, we're embracing these advancements and create a ripple effect that extends far beyond the confines of our schools. I encourage you to learn more about how DS Water Team can help transform your school. Contact us today. Join us in this journey towards a brighter, healthier future. Together, we can make a difference.